Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, I'm Justice, and this channel is about aviation and automobile fun. Tonight we're going to be doing some takeoffs and landings in the Cessna 172. I'm trying to stay current for night flying. So let's do the pre-check, hop in this thing, do the run-up, and get off the ground. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was 3 quick takeoff and landings at night to a full stop at a towered field. Only logged 0.8 hours, but we're gonna get back up in the plane on Saturday. So stay tuned, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.